So I want to show you on how to create a restore point for your computer. So let's get started. Search for create a restore point. This is it. This is how it looks like. So click on it, open. So this is a new window that has prompted on your screen. So you're going to go to configure, choose turn on system protection, and we don't add any edit, just turn on protection, that is all. Click on OK. Now we're going to click on create. So we give it a name, the name for our restore point, the name which we're going to be prompted when we want to restore it back. So make sure you remember your name, because if you are that type of person if you want to do it countless number of times, make sure you remember the name and the date for you to be accurate. And on the last date you created the restored point. So I'm going to go there and I click on create. So just wait for it to be done. Now it's done. So that's it. That's how I create a restore point for your PC, so that even if your PC runs your program, can restore from it.